Other questions? Yes, please.
So what kind of gotchas were involved? What were the hiccups along the way, if any? Okay.
Not a machinist. Why isn't it running all the time nonstop? Drives me insane. Because they're all caught up. So the biggest gotcha was, oh my God, we got what used to take us 2 months, we're getting done in 3 weeks. So oh, I need 4 more CNCs. And now we're sitting here going, okay, what are the next best decisions to make? Because it is so effective. We do run, when we run it, it runs between 14 and 16 hours a day when we run it. But it's so effective, I don't run it 5 days anymore. It's literally running 1 day a week. So now it's freeing up time for us to go do prototyping in that same machine because it's not in the way. So I can still manually load that machine.